The prefab revolution. Are these homes the future? Prefabricated homes, often called prefab homes, are gaining popularity. These homes offer a modern approach to homeownership, combining innovative design with practical benefits. They are not only stylish but also provide a cost-effective solution for many families. These homes are built off-site in a factory setting, ensuring quality control and precision. This makes construction faster and more efficient than traditional homes, reducing the overall build time significantly. But are prefab homes really the future of housing? Let's take a closer look at the advantages and potential drawbacks. Let's dive in and explore everything you need to know about this growing trend in the housing market. Many people are turning to prefab homes for their affordability, sustainability, and speed of construction. These homes are often more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. The process starts with choosing a design and customizing it to your liking. You can select from a variety of styles and layouts to suit your needs. The house is then built in sections at a factory, where each part is meticulously crafted to ensure durability and quality. Finally, the sections are transported to your site and assembled. This method not only saves time, but also minimizes waste and disruption to the surrounding environment. Demystifying prefab. Understanding the basics. Prefab homes are constructed using a method called panelized construction. This involves building the walls, floors, and roof in sections or panels at a factory. These panels are then transported to the building site and assembled on a pre-prepared foundation. This method of construction offers several advantages. It reduces waste, minimizes weather-related delays, and ensures consistent quality control. The controlled factory environment allows for precise measurements and efficient use of materials. Once the panels arrive on site, the assembly process is relatively quick. Built to last. Safety and durability of prefab homes. One common concern about prefab homes is their durability and safety. However, prefab homes are just as safe and durable as traditionally built homes. They are built to meet or exceed the same building codes and standards. The materials used in prefab construction are of high quality and undergo rigorous testing. The panels are engineered for strength and stability, able to withstand wind, snow, and seismic activity. Furthermore, the controlled factory environment minimizes the risk of human error during construction. The price is right. Exploring the affordability factor. One of the most significant advantages of prefab homes is their affordability. In many cases, prefab homes can be significantly cheaper than traditional homes. This is due to several factors, including efficient construction methods, bulk material purchases, and reduced labor costs. The factory setting allows for streamlined production and economies of scale. Additionally, the faster construction time means you'll spend less on labor and interim financing costs. This makes prefab homes an attractive option for budget-conscious homebuyers. Section 5. Making it your own materials and customization options. Prefab homes offer a surprising amount of flexibility in terms of design and customization. You can choose from a wide range of architectural styles, floor plans, and finishes. Many prefab home builders offer various customization options to personalize your home. You can select from different siding materials, roofing options, window styles, and interior finishes. Some companies even offer the option to work with an architect to create a fully custom design. This ensures your prefab home reflects your unique style and preferences. Section 6. Financing your dream. Mortgages for prefab homes. Getting a mortgage for a prefab home is similar to getting a mortgage for a traditional home. However, there are some unique aspects to consider. Most lenders offer financing options for prefab homes, recognizing their growing popularity and value. These homes are becoming a preferred choice for many due to their efficiency and cost-effectiveness. However, it's essential to work with a lender who is familiar with prefab construction. This ensures they understand the specific requirements and timelines involved. They can guide you through the process and ensure a smooth experience. A knowledgeable lender can help you navigate any potential challenges and provide tailored advice. Be prepared to provide detailed information about the prefab home manufacturer, the construction process, and the expected completion date. This information is crucial for the lender to assess the loan application accurately. The expected completion date is particularly important as it affects the loan disbursement schedule. With the right lender, financing your prefab dream home is achievable. They will work with you every step of the way to ensure your dream becomes a reality, making the process as seamless as possible. Section 7. The freedom to adapt, flexibility and mobility. Prefab homes offer a unique level of flexibility that traditional homes don't. One of the most significant advantages is the ability to expand your home easily. If your needs change in the future, you can add modules to your prefab home. This is a more cost-effective and less disruptive way to gain extra space compared to traditional home additions. Additionally, some prefab homes are designed for relocation. If you need to move, you can disassemble your home, transport it to your new location, and reassemble it. Section 8. A wise investment, value retention and longevity. Prefab homes are built to last and hold their value well over time. The high-quality materials, precise construction methods, and durability ensure that your investment will stand the test of time. Furthermore, the growing popularity of prefab homes contributes to their strong resale value. As more people recognize the benefits of prefab living, the demand for these homes continues to increase. This makes prefab homes a wise investment, offering both short-term affordability and long-term value appreciation. Section 9. Weighing the options, pros and cons of prefab living. Like any housing option, prefab homes have their pros and cons. On the plus side, prefab homes offer affordability, faster construction times, sustainability, and design flexibility. They are energy efficient, durable, and can be customized to your liking. However, there are also some potential drawbacks. Finding suitable land and securing permits can be challenging in some areas. Additionally, customization options, while available, may be limited compared to building a fully custom home. Section 10. Click and build, finding prefab homes online. In today's digital age, you can even buy prefab homes online. Platforms like Amazon offer a selection of prefab homes and home kits. These kits typically include all the materials and instructions needed to build a small to medium-sized home. While buying a whole house on Amazon may not be the norm, it highlights the growing accessibility and convenience of prefab housing. Online platforms offer a convenient way to research different prefab options, compare prices, and even purchase kits for smaller structures. Section 11. Prefab versus modular, understanding the difference. The terms prefab and modular are often used interchangeably, but there is a distinction. Prefab homes are built in sections off-site, while modular homes are built in complete three-dimensional modules. These modules include all the finishes, fixtures, and appliances. Modular homes are essentially fully furnished rooms that are shipped to the site and assembled. Both prefab and modular homes offer the benefits of off-site construction, but modular homes take the concept a step further. Section 12. Navigating the rules, planning permission and legalities. Before you embark on your prefab home journey, it's crucial to understand the legal requirements. Like any construction project, prefab homes require planning permission and adherence to building codes. The specific regulations vary depending on your location. It's essential to contact your local planning authority to inquire about the necessary permits and inspections. They can guide you through the process and ensure your prefab home project meets all the legal requirements. Section 13. The future is prefab, embracing a modern housing solution. Prefab homes offer a compelling solution to the evolving needs of modern homeowners. These homes are designed with the future in mind, providing a blend of innovation and practicality that traditional homes often lack. They are affordable, sustainable, customizable, and built to last. Prefab homes are constructed with high-quality materials and advanced building techniques, ensuring durability and longevity. As the demand for efficient and flexible housing options continues to grow, prefab construction is poised to play an increasingly significant role in the future of housing. The speed and efficiency of prefab construction make it an attractive option for those looking to move into their new homes quickly. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, looking to downsize, or seeking a sustainable and efficient housing solution, prefab homes are worth considering. They offer a range of designs and layouts to suit different lifestyles and preferences, making them a versatile choice for many. With their numerous advantages and growing popularity, prefab homes are transforming the way we think about homeownership. They represent a shift towards more sustainable living, offering a practical and forward-thinking solution to the housing challenges of today and tomorrow.